Together we achieve. Morning everybody, I hope you're okay. This week I want to see, did you remember to talk to your teachers to see if we could make a video? Have you had any ideas? If you can, talk to your teachers this week. What could we do? Today I'm going to give you a challenge. I want to see if you can remember any of the signs and symbols from assembly over the last few weeks. I've got a list on my phone. First one, tidy up. Tidy up. Can you remember it? Here's the sign. Tidy up. Tidy up. Did you get it right? Next one, brush your hair. Brush your hair. The sign is brush your hair. Next one's got a brush as well. This one is brush your teeth. Can you remember the sign? Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Oh, this is a hard one. Breakfast. 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 A couple more signs from the videos we had. Can you remember to help Naomi? What's the sign for help? Help. Another one from the videos. Can you remember Rachel's caterpillar and butterfly? We had the caterpillar and the butterfly. How are you doing? Are you remembering them all? Last one I'm going to ask you is get dressed. Get dressed. Okay, how did you do? Did you get them all right? Or do you need to practice? Like me, I'd got my list. Okay, enjoy the assembly and hope to see you soon. Take care.
Hello! Hope everyone's okay.
Hi everybody, I hope you have a really good week this week. I loved seeing all the pictures and things you've been sending in, even from all the different classes, not just my own, and a massive well done to everybody and all their work at the moment.
Hi guys! Missing you all! Doing loads of sewing and knitting for my baby granddaughter. See you soon!
Hi everyone, hope you're all okay, doing all right at home, and I'm looking forward to seeing your videos and photos. Bye!
Hi everybody, hope you're doing okay.
Hi everyone, I'm missing you lots and I hope to see you soon. Okay, bye!
Hi everyone, really enjoyed looking at all the photos and videos and seeing what you've all been up to. Hope you're all having a good week. Take care, bye.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it.
While we can't hug. Hedgehog and Tortoise were the best of friends. They wanted to give each other a great big hug, but they weren't allowed to touch. "Don't worry," said Owl. "There are lots of ways to show someone you love them." Hedgehog tried a wave. That made Tortoise smile. Tortoise made a funny face. That made Hedgehog laugh. Hedgehog wrote a letter, and Tortoise wrote one back. And when Tortoise did a little dance, Hedgehog joined in too. Hedgehog blew a kiss across the gap between them. Tortoise saw it and caught it and kept it, and sent 3 back again. Tortoise sang a song. Hedgehog played along. They both painted pictures so that everyone would know they were friends. Through rain and shine. They could not touch, they could not hug, but they both knew that they were loved.
Hello, welcome to Sing It and Sign It. My name is Beth. I will be signing.
And we're doing the music. Let's sing and sign.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain, I will scream them loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. Losing friends and I'm chasing sleep. Everybody's worried about me. I'm in too deep. Say I'm in too deep. It's been 2 years, I miss my home. There's a fire burning in my bones. I still believe, I still believe. All those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain, I will scream them loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. lot of fun.